The boat delay last week meant an eager wait for firearm owners as ammunition stock for the shooting season on the island fell short. However, this meant a brief stay period for game birds. The shooting season, which began on the 1st of November, has seen an increase of firearm holders eagerly scanning the skies for bats and pigeons, local delicacies for the festive season. With the arrival of the boat over the weekend, it was a sigh of relief for hunters, and the Niue police say that there is more than enough ammunition to go around. However, another concern recently is gun safety, with some reports of people using firearms from moving vehicles. The message now is for firearm owners to be responsible and to exercise common sense during this shooting season. Chief of Police Mark Chenery says that the delay in ammunition arriving will have no effect on the shooting season, and there will also be no extensions. The shooting season ends on the 1st of January 2011.